but you always lift me in there like crazy.
Oh, big deal. My bread.
Are you? Is it really true, honey? I mean, break my heart.
Jack it up.
You say good morning? Do you want to say good morning? Do you want to say good morning, Nadosh? Do you want to say good morning, Nadosh? I love you so much. So sweet. And look what happened if I leave the dog in here, not in the kitchen. This is what happened. They always get something. Ay, this is why Tommy doesn't like them to be inside here, because they're just like no control it. And I am watching the rerun of On Demand, The Walking Dead. Holy cow, guys, I don't want to say anything, but all I can see is holy freaking big huge cow. I heard something. Why is it blinking? It's blinking. I can't even shut this off. There you go. Oh, you have to press it long enough, because I'm going to unbox this thing also. I'm waiting for my package also today or maybe tomorrow. It's just shipping for 2 days and it's still not here. And so I'm going to wait for that, because that's a charger. It's a battery for this camera, because that I can like switch all the time, because every time I edit or I film, this camera, this battery is dead, and then I don't have any replacement to put that. It's annoying that you have to wait, and I don't like keep unplugging the battery when it's not fully charged, because that will ruin your battery if you will charging it and then you take it off from the battery charger. Where is Roxy? In the girl rock girl to Miss Dina. Google na Google na Google na Google na Google na no Google na nabaho man ng pita. Hi guys, hold on, I'm going to close this laptop because it's no space over here. But tomorrow morning, or it's gonna be snowing, so that's the news. That's what the news says. So we have October snow. Let's see, because Canada have snow already. I'm wearing glasses. I'm wearing my eyeglass because my headache is like killing me. Laptop all the time, like edit some stuff and cell phone like this all the time, you know. Anyway, before that, ano bang nangyari? Holy cow, hold on. I'm just watching the news and there is always a bad news. Protesters arrested on the George Washington Bridge. Oh my goodness. Anyway, that's why I opened my camera, because I got a package. I ordered this online, I think Monday. I ordered this Monday and today is Wednesday ngayon. In-order ko to kasi alam niyo naman, I think I told you that I ordered something for my camera battery. So tingnan natin, open it natin. In-order ko ito guys sa Canon kasi naghanap ako ng sa Amazon, yung third party na battery for Canon G7X. What are you doing, Roxy? Stop it! Stop it! Look, he's doing it. I look for a third party battery for my Canon G7X Mark II, but most of the reviews it says why ruin the expensive camera to get a third party battery. So I decided, there's a lot of bad reviews, but I get the original one anyway. So Roxy mayroong ano pa, kasi maliit lang kasi. Okay, so this is the actual battery thing. So this is the actual battery. So yeah, so maliit lang. Katulad talaga siya ng ano, katulad talaga siya ng ano, yung sa original na go with the camera when I get the camera. So yeah, it says battery pack, ako baterya recabil baterya, different kind of languages. But anyway, excited to have another extra battery because if I'm filming, guys, it's kind of really crazy. Dimples, what are you doing? Roxy, who is the beep beep? Who is the beep beep? Don't listen, huh? So this is the battery. May ano siya cover, so it's good to protect this kind of thing over here, to protect it. So yeah, so it's good. You don't wanna listen? Get down. Where is the beeping thing? Get down. Look, if I said beep beep, I get the bed in here. Nag-enjoy ka sa bed, Misty? Come here. You're the one who want my attention. You're the one who want my attention. So come over here. You are such a big little pup. Big little pup. A big little pup. You're such a big little pup. Big little pup. Big little puppy, 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 pup. Yes, yes. Oh my God, Rox. You're so sweet, Misty. I know. You guys are smell so good now. This smell so good now. What do you think you're doing? Dimple hurts. Look at that. She just wanna be in the back, so why not just cover here? Umiiyak yung isa. Parang baliw. Tingnan niyo. The Walking Dead, my brain is dead. And also yung sa Walking Dead. At nanonood din ako ng ano, mga reaction sa YouTube. Nakakaiyak din. May isang nakakaiyak, may isang nauihan talaga ako. Nandito na ako sa taas. Iyak ako ng iyak sa baba. Kasi I was watching Kirillicious and she's talking about the book, about the heaven is for real. And yung nakita ko na yung movie. At saka after watching her, I saw the interview of the kid and his parents. And also after that, there is another video that I saw also, that this guy went saw the impierno and then heaven. Nakita niya yung explanation niya, yung sinasabi niya lahat, yung while he's explaining the experience that he had, you know, in the past. It's kind of mind-blowing. It's just like, I believe in him, guys. I believe that God, even, you know, in my life, I believe that he's beside me and always, you know, always there for me also. So anyway, guys, I'm just gonna go to sleep. I'm just gonna lie down and watch a movie and watch a show and whatever is in TV. And yeah, so that's it, guys. I don't have any long vlog today, and hopefully, guys, you still watch my video. And yeah, so see you in my next vlog, guys. Good night. Bye, guys. I guess.
Come here, my little man.
Toki.
I'm gonna pick up turkey for you too.
Oh, Toki.
Nice fresh turkey.
Toki. Toki. You spoiled little bug. You spoiled little bug.
I know. enough picking you up, give you a couple of trees.
Hi guys, good morning. Morning guys. We're going to drop my mom to lunch for the group of people. We're going to Costco. So, punta kami sa Costco and then yun, parang sa CVS ata, sa CVS.
I keep telling her, this car's rolling forward. She goes, it's not moving. She says, yes, rolling forward. She says, oh, look, I got the brake on. She got the parking brake on, but it's not in park. She said, those brakes only hold so good. I said, before you hit that pole, step on your brake. She got the parking brake. She goes, look, I got the brake on. And she step on the brake and put it in park. Because it was creeping forward, slow. Did you see it moving when I was like tapping on it?
No, I'm thinking, what the heck are you doing over there?
You couldn't tell it was moving? Because it was moving slow, but she's so close.
Very close already.
I said she's so close to that pole, I wanted to make her stop before she hit the damn thing. And she's like, no, it's not moving. Look, see, she opened the door. I said, see, it's not moving. Believe me, it's moving. I'm standing there. You don't think I can tell it's moving. Well, how old am I exactly? You know, and she goes, look, I got the brake on, see? I said, yeah, but is it in park? I said, that's a parking brake. The parking brake holds, but doesn't hold that great. It'll actually pull the parking brake. It's supposed to give you resistance so you know that your car's in parking. So
maybe she doesn't.
So
maybe
the weight of the car can't make it move, but the motor can still make it move.
Yeah, but maybe she doesn't park it yet, and then her foot is in the brake.
Right. She parked it. She put the parking brake on, let her foot off the brake, but never put the car in park.
And did she turn the car off?
No, the car wasn't off.
It's like, look at the cloud, guys. It is dark. This is a nice thing.
Oh.
How much is this?
Yeah.
No, 3.
Oh, that's for this.
Ah, the speaker. There's no price in this one.
No, you're showing off the speaker how it fits so nicely under the screen.
Yes, perfect. Yeah, Tammy always looking
I like
for
this
TV.
one.
Oh, this one, I like this.
Yeah, I like that one too. $12.50.
That one over there is really good. This one too. They're all big, look.
The angle looks very black.
And look at the price, son. $6.99. $6.99.
That's the display. What's for this?
Why? Yeah.
Display. I wouldn't buy the display. It's on for forever.
Oh, it's nice. And you can dim that?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Just slide it. This is what it says, guys. It's $18. We just got home, or my crazy husband is cutting some turkey, and we get a lot from Costco. Pale garlic for the lazy people, and
That's me.
and
Thank you.
and for the fat woman, 2 of this for my fat son also. And what is this one?
Romaine.
Romaine and baby cucumber. And whatever ham is this, I don't know why it's not Thanksgiving yet. Nutella. I'm gonna make a video how to make a Nutella cookie. Son, is that cookie?
Brownies.
Brownies and this thing, and what else? A bunch of candy. Like, oh my goodness, this is expensive. $15 each, and plus over here 2 candies, and plus over here. And I got the one that I really like, the non-slip hanger, 35 each box, and it's cost only $10 each, right, hon?
What's that?
$10 the hanger.
Right.
Yeah, I get like 2 to $20 for 70 pieces.
See, the Chinese lady in the row next to us had those same 2 boxes of hangers.
She did too?
Yeah.
It's my thing. Salmon. We get salmon. The salmon in Costco, guys, there is 2 different kind if you go to Costco. The other one is cheaper, $1. Because the other one have, how do you call that?
This one is not antibiotics.
It's not injected or eat by antibiotics. Eat by.
Eat by? Antibiotics didn't eat them.
Yeah. There's no antibiotics. The one that I got, it's cost a little bit $1 expensive, like 8 something.
$9
$9.
per pound.
Dollar.
$1 per pound.
Yeah, but the total of this is 8.9 pounds. The one I got. But you know, the difference is antibiotic, guys.
$9 limit.
That's why I've been getting the one that is cheaper. That's why I noticed a month later I have pain in my side here.
Please.
Oh my!
That's a crock.
Why you say that? It's really true.
You're falling to the hype.
You're falling to the hype. What is hype, Han? Explain the hype.
Believe anything they tell you.
English, Han, please English.
Anything anybody tells you, you believe.
Whatever. Which one? This one, 3 of them?
Yeah.
You have anything in this? Which one do you want me to put this in there?
Flat freezer, I guess it's fine. I know, Bug, you want some now. I got it now. First, I gotta clean this muck.
What?
Talking to the house. He wants now. He's like, I want my turkey now.
No, where did he get that from?
From his mama. Now, I want it now. I can't wait. I can't wait. I want it now.
You know what makes me laugh when I texted you? Because you have to read it to people in there.
Because I what?
I texted you.
Yeah.
And then you have to read it while people around us like, and then,
So what?
I need your help. You make me mad.
You're just standing there. The woman in front of you ain't got nowhere. You were just standing there.
Yeah, but you always lift me in there like crazy.
Oh, big deal. You're standing there. I left you to stand there.
It makes me worried when I'm alone in there.
Oh, please. You left me there first.
Yeah. You're lucky that I give you.
Hey, who's lucky? Because my bread, you're lucky I share with you.
No, because Daddy spent money, 800 shit bucks.
Because Daddy spent it for me. My bread.
Are you? Is it really true, honey? I mean, break my heart.
Tell him. Tell my bread.
Looking at me like thinking.
He says, yes, that's it. My bread.
Two idiots. I don't know what you're gonna do with this, honey. You
What?
have to think what you have. You think about that because.
With what?
That one you said it's lunch. So
Yeah.
lunch.
I take to work.
Quick shout out to my friend. Vicky. Hi, Vicky. It's really hard to find your real name because I know you're Vicky, but I forgot your family name. And so because your Facebook name is Vicky, and to her husband, happy 5th anniversary to you, to both of you. And yeah, happy lang, walang sad-sad ha, walang sad-sad sa salog. Shout out to Vicky and to her husband, happy 5th anniversary sis, and to your husband, hi husband. Now my husband's Vicky's husband. Hi, happy anniversary to both of you. Have a good day, enjoy, God bless, take care guys, bye. Need to get some napkin. Why they call this napkin, guys? Napkin is only for vaginal thing.
That's a sanitary pad.
But we called it napkin.
Napkin. What does it say on the package? Does it say napkin?
And he is so not nice to me because he hit my head with a really hard, like he bumped that scotch bottle on my head.
Really hard. Show them how hard I did it, hon.
Yeah, you do like that. You bounce it.
Show them how hard.
You bounce it, honey. And there is pimples here.
Hon?
Like this, guys. Oh, this is even hubs. Look, there is even. It's full.
Hon! It was the empty when I threw the garbage.
Oh my God.
That's what I'm saying. Oh my God. You lied to the whole planet.
No,
The whole planet you're lying to.
No, you hurt my head, huh?
Show them, hon.
I'm not lying.
Show them. Hon? Show them we do that.
No, you
Hon?
you
You're like that and you're like, oh, that really hurt. Oh. It hurt me.
It really, you did bounce it, honey. Not that.
Hon? You lying dog.
No, I'm a dog. Now I'm a dog.
Lying dog.
Look who's in here. Iwan ko ba kung bakit siya dito natutulog? Wala namang lugar. Dimples, do you wanna go up? Dimples? Are you okay, Dimples?
guy inside. Tell paramedics to load up on Narcan. He's gonna need it. Got a drug overdose.
Hi guys. Pumunta lang ako dito sa taas. Kasi ilagay ko yung license ko na natanggap ko from DMV. Ilagay ko lang sa wallet before mawala. Kasi pag mawala, patay tayo. Okay, itatapon. Itatago ko muna tong ang permit at ang license na ang ilabas. Wallet, I love this wallet. I got this from Amazon. It's a leather and it's not bad price. Hey, good. Punta muna ako, maliligo muna ako. Isuot ko ito uli, guys, after because I just wear this yesterday for minutes and then today, yeah, but it's not really that dirty because as you say, I don't really go nowhere. So, punta lang ako sa shower kasi ang ginaw-ginaw, guys. Sana, hindi ako talaga gusto maligo kapag yung ginaw, sobrang ginaw. Kandingon kasi ako, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ang gwapo. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo ng palagi. Tingnan